Right now, time is running out before Bitcoin is going to be seeing a breakout of this 12-hour consolidation phase. And in this video, I will be going over my price targets. I will be as well talking about this interesting consolidation phase that is currently showing us signs of a breakout that will be happening anytime soon. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be going over the most important charts in crypto right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on that imminent short-term target, we can currently see over the course of the weekend, Bitcoin so far has basically done nothing. And if I will be looking at the CME gap for Bitcoin, we can currently see the CME got close around 19.2k, currently trading below it, but basically so far over the course of the weekend, Bitcoin has been ranging between this price. And I'm also expecting actually that today Bitcoin is most likely going to be ranging above or below this price right here. However, the 19.2k will be acting as a magnet today, but the big things will be happening next week. Why? Is because if we're going to be looking at the consolidation phase on Bitcoin right now in the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently see Bitcoin, of course, not choosing a direction to either break above the top side of resistance or between the lower side of support. Currently, we can see that Bitcoin is basically still consolidating, and while we're seeing so, we're seeing that Bitcoin is forming lower highs together with higher lows. And if I set up a very interesting trend line, two interesting trend lines, we can currently once again start to see that we're shaping up another consolidation phase. The price action of Bitcoin is once again forming lower highs from the top side and forming higher lows on the lower side, and due to that, we're basically squeezing the price action in towards an apex, and at some point we either have to be choosing to be breaking bullish, or we either have to choose to be breaking bearish. If we do break bearish, of course, we still have the major support of this green box of support. But if we also confirm a break below this level right here, I will be going in with a shorting position on the market, and I will be opening up this short position here on BitGet. Furthermore, if we are going to be seeing a bullish breakout, the price target that I will be aiming for on this breakout is going to be somewhere around the 20.4, 22.5k here, basically the top side of the resistance. And actually, I do think if we do break bullish, that we can actually trade it towards the top side of the resistance box before then eventually once again coming down again, or before then potentially breaking above the resistance. So that is going to be my strategy. I'm going to be looking at this consolidation phase, and once we do see a breakout of it, I will be starting to be opening up my next trading position here on the market. If I also look at the 12-hour time frame, they are looking very similar. 4-hour, 12-hour. The 12-hour is only a little bit more zoomed in, but also on the 12-hour time frame, we are forming a similar structure. We're seeing, of course, lower highs getting created on the market together with higher lows on the lower side, and this consolidation phase on the 12-hour time frame has been already around for an approximately 35 hours, and within 48 hours from now on, we will be seeing a breakout, and the breakout from of this pattern right here will indeed bring Bitcoin up or down significantly. Like I told you, my upside target somewhere around the 20.4k, but in case we're going to be seeing a bearish breakdown here, this could be bringing Bitcoin all the way down towards levels around 17.8k, and that is going to be a very interesting target to be aiming for. If Bitcoin is going to be breaking down, this could be, of course, signaling a big move towards the downside, and I will be the first one to jump on a new trading position. One thing is for sure, and that is volatility is going to kick up, because currently the volatility index is indicating that Bitcoin is at its lowest point of volatility since 3 years time so far. So yes, volatility is so far still low, but things can change up very quickly, and once Bitcoin consolidates for a very long time towards sideways price action, the move, if it is going to be breaking, is going to be significant, and I want to be on that move. I want to be riding the next wave, either if it's going to be up or down. I want to be riding it, and that's why I'm looking at these consolidation phases right now. Once looking at Bitcoin, another consolidation phase, we can currently see Bitcoin still trading in a descending triangle, very close by having a breakout of this exact pattern, and this will be indicating a significant move getting happened. And this breakout right here will be happening in the coming 48 hours. So next week is going to be crucial, and it's going to be important, and it will be most certainly signify an insane move here. It's once again, if we do break below the support box, we are doomed. We are in problem. If we do break above the downward sloping resistance line, things could start to be moving up further on from this point onwards. So yes, I am going to be trading this both directions. Of course, if we do break bullish, I will be waiting for some more confirmations, and you're maybe asking me right now, if we break bullish, what are the confirmations you're waiting for? For me, if we do break bullish, I want to be seeing a break above the previous high that is above the 20.4k. What is basically above the red box of resistance right here. If we do break above this red box on the 4-hourly time frame, I will be the first one to be opening up a long position, because if we do break above that range right there, I honestly do think we could be likely to see a continuation even further on towards the upside. But if you actually want to be benefiting from all the deposit bonuses these exchanges are currently offering you, don't forget to check out the link in the description right now, because then you can trade with free money from the exchange. And in these bear market times, those are the best things to do here. So don't forget to check out the links in the description right now. Here also, after signing up and depositing any amount, you will already get 10 USD. So make sure to check it out right now and claim your deposit bonus in the link in the description right here. Furthermore, is history repeating for Bitcoin right now? I mean, honestly, if I do look at the price action of Bitcoin, I discussed this yesterday as well, but I will go a little bit more in depth about it. We can currently see that we're creating a falling wedge on the daily time frame. This is a typical bullish bias pattern. It tends to be breaking towards the upside for an approximately 70 to 80% of the times, and it also did happen back in May, June, and July consolidation. So will it once again happen, and will Bitcoin once again break towards the upside? We just have to wait and see. And of course, the important thing to look at right now is just going to be monitoring the important price action right here. If we do break above the downward sloping resistance line, we could be in for that significant movement towards the upside. But so far, we are indeed forming lower lows, so we are forming lower highs. And I mean, the price action is definitely getting squeezed, because you can see these two trend lines coming together. And once it does happen, we either have to be choosing to be breaking above the resistance or to break below the support. And yeah, once we do break above any of these, we will be most certainly seeing more volatility enter the market. So definitely a thing to look out for. Also, the RSI uptrend on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Historically, if we're going to be looking back every single time once we do break the RSI uptrend, we tend to see significant dumps towards the downside. And look about what currently is happening in the market. We are once again seeing the RSI breaking its uptrend, and after we've seen the RSI break its uptrend, we could be potentially in big problem right now. So make sure to get ready for anything that could be happening right now, because yeah, after we officially of course confirm the break below this RSI uptrend, it could be signaling that Bitcoin can once again see such kind of a 20% correction towards the downside. And once again, talking about that last thing, about the volatility that is going to be picking up, I mean, it is just one thing we know for sure, is that once Bitcoin is trading sideways for a very long time, like we're doing right now, the Bollinger Bands is also squeezing in. And once the Bollinger Bands is so narrow, like it currently is here, it usually indicates that volatility is going to be picking up anytime soon. If it's going to be happening tomorrow or the day after, we don't know. But one thing is for sure, if the volatility kicks in, it's going to be a significant big move, either up or down. Because if we're going to be looking back at the last time we were so narrow on the Bollinger Bands, it was basically all the way back over here in September 2020. And right now, once again, we are at the same narrow stage in the Bollinger Bands. And this is definitely an indication that Bitcoin is getting ready for a big move. And yeah, that is a thing I want to be warning you for. Of course, whether it's going to be up or whether it's going to be down, I mean, I will still try to benefit from volatility, because basically once there is volatility in the market, there's a lot of money to be made. So yeah, that is definitely my point I want to be pointing out right now here. Make sure to get ready for the next move if you want to be making passive income in the industry by either copy trading or using a cryptocurrency trading algorithm that automatically trades for you. Don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.